like I'm in the NBA. No, these rats cannot see TSA. They found me, now I had to relocate.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, yes guys, you guys know now. So today I'm about to unbox Off-White Vapormax 2.0 today, so stay tuned. Actually, I got this shoes on online for retail price. I didn't pay any shit for this. I didn't pay like resale price for this shit. Like, yeah, I was just like watching the app, sneaker app, and they had a resale, I mean the restock of the Vapormax, and yes, I was lucky enough to get the shoes. So today I'm about to unbox this Vapormax, Off-White Vapormax 2.0. So let's check out this. So let's unbox the shoes. Let's count. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here's the shoes. You can see the Nike sign here. Yes, actually it's really light. Yeah, nothing, a simple box. It's a simple box here. Okay guys, let's unbox this Nike Vapormax. So I'm about to cut this shoe. It cost me around $270 for the shoes. Kind of expensive, but yeah, but not so expensive than buying at the StockX or the resale price. Okay, so Nike Vapormax 9.5, that's my size. It's 27.5 cm. Okay, so let's open this box. Cool. There's shoe sign. Okay guys, let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's the Nike Vapormax 2.0, I guess. Yeah, it's cool. The color wise is really dope. Yeah, you can see the sign here, which is designed by Virgil. Virgil got a lot of sick designs he got. Yeah, here's another one here, and actually they have one more shoelace. You can see the sign here called shoelace. Okay guys, so here's the shoes. You can see the shoes here. Yeah, here's a tag of Off-White, the red tag you get. Yeah, it's a simple shoes. You can see the Nike sign here, and inside they got, and the inside they have a Off-White 10. You can see here the sign, Off-White 10 sign. Yes, here the logo of Off-White, and some Nike Breviton, some written here by Virgil, specially designed by Virgil. Yes, actually Virgil have a really sick design now. He's into the he's designing men's clothes in Louis Vuitton. Yes, that's dope. And underneath the sole, you can see the air bubble sole here and the 360. Cool design. I wanted to white too, but yeah, I just could cop a black one. Yeah, definitely it's a dope for summer. It's really light in comparison to the Easy, which I unboxed it last week. It have like a ultra boost vibe too, you can see like the net inside. It's really easy to see inside too. So let's wear these shoes. Let's see how it feels in a feet. Let me try these shoes.
I'm looking for closure. Lean with me, pop with me, get high with me. If you rock with me, smoke with me.
Okay guys, I just wore the shoes. Yes, it's super comfortable, but actually in this part it's kind of really tight. Yes, but it's not so like paining my leg, but I think the shoes will get more bigger if I wear it. So this part is more a little bit tighter, but here it's not so bad. I mean the size really comfy to wear for summer. Yeah, definitely I'm liking these shoes. Okay guys, so this is the Off-White. I just reveal how it feels in my feet. So definitely good shoes, good design by Virgil. Yeah, Nike collaboration with Vapormax. I rate this around 8 out of 10. It's a really cool shoes. Definitely check out at StockX. You can buy at the StockX, but it's kind of expensive, around $500. Yes, plus I told you, plus authentic charge, shipping charge, and the tax you have to pay in like Japan or other countries. So it's cost you more, like plus $100 if you buy in a StockX. But you can check out other apps too if you want to really like these shoes. Yes, definitely cop these shoes. The black, I like the white one. I like the white Vapormax, off-white Vapormax too. So definitely I'm gonna check out those shoes too. Yeah, so any comments about shoes, please comment down below about the shoes. Yes, let me know your comments. And yeah, thank you. I'm always thankful for your views, yes, and showing some love. And if you really like this video, please show some love by commenting down below, and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Until next time, peace. Whole lot of gang shit, yeah.
You probably think that you are better now.